My unboxing on my new Acer laptop. I had a HP unboxing yesterday afternoon, but I didn't like the laptop. It was too heavy and too clunky, so I returned it for this one. Fortunately, the information barcode there, that's the model number. I'm not reading that all out. So once I find out what it is, I'll put it in the description. So just cut this open. And we agreed with the box inside and on the box. Okay, it is the Aspire V5. Cool. Because if I handle, they could have, just give me this one. Okay. It comes with Haswell Intel CPU. It's a Core i5 dual core. Unfortunately, it's not a quad core. I'm coming from a Mac. This is for a college unit. It has 2 gigabytes of NVIDIA graphics with, I think it's a GTX 720M, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gig hard drive, and yeah, it's a 15-inch HD, non-full HD monitor. Comes with the information guide, how to plug it in. Oh, it actually has an Ethernet port. Fantastic. Can plug into my network at college. The International Travelers. I'm not going to open that. Windows 8 starter pack. Ugh, I hate Windows 8. Have a look at inside the goodies. Our standard adapter to our wall wart and a display port. Yeah, display port to VGA adapter. Yeah, cool. It's wrapped up nicely in a soft cloth material. There we go. Brushed aluminum with just black plastic on the back. Fortunately, it looks like my RAM is not upgradable unless I take off the entire back. So yeah. Okay, anyway, on the back we have our power, Kingston lock, back vent, HDMI, display port, USB 3, and an Ethernet port, gigabit Ethernet. On the side we have a USB, SD card reader, headphone jack. On this side we have the power button and a USB button, USB. On the front we have dual microphones from the looks of it. And let's open this up. There we go. Got information down the bottom here. Our stats, Intel Core i5, etc. Full size keyboard. Unfortunately, it's not backlit, and yeah, let's pick this up. But this laptop is only an inch thick. Look at that. Only an inch thick. How cool is that? Looks like it's not going to turn on. Looks like the battery's dead. The battery is charging, so this must have been a dead battery. Let's turn it on. Yep, it powers up. Cool. There we go. Unfortunately, this is running Windows 8. Hate Windows 8 for passion. But this is to just run some basic 3D Max and Photoshop, so yeah, can't complain. Comparison in size to my current MacBook Retina. The laptop is quite bigger. I don't think so as the screen. I think this is only 15 inch, not 15.6. Thanks for watching, guys. Please rate, comment and subscribe. See ya.